Alright, hello and welcome everyone. My name's Kenny. This is my laptop, and today we're going to be installing some new RAM sticks. Upgrading the RAM to 32 gigs instead of the stock 16. So let's get into it. First things first, obviously laptop power off, and you're going to want to get yourself a set of small screwdrivers or a little fix-it, like a technology fix-it kit, kind of like this, which has a lot of good prying tools for getting underneath certain areas of the laptop. Our screwdriver in every laptop obviously is going to be different, so you just have to go nice and slow and take it easy. But in the case of this one, we had screw, 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 and then you might see this symbol here. That means there's a screw underneath your keyboard. You're gonna have to pry up your keyboard and get that screw that's underneath the keyboard. So be wary for that. Be wary for hidden screws. Take it slow, take it easy, and you'll be just fine. So once you're done with that, we're gonna remove the bottom cover. We're gonna see the RAM. Alright, we're gonna see the two installed RAM pieces here. Very simple stuff. Pull on those two tabs gently. It should pop itself up and out. You'll remove the one. These can just stay just like that. The two ears here that will retain the plastic bits, pull those aside gently. Helps if you have a little bit more nail than I do. Alright, now we're gonna open up the new sticks of RAM. And you'll obviously want to pay attention to the orientation it goes in. Obviously you can see that this one has a tab like this, offset. So you want to make sure, nope, that won't fit that way. So you want to make sure that you have the orientation correct. And you just kind of gently slide it in, push it down, the ears will retain themselves. Alright, same thing with this one. Align the pin here with that. Gently push down. Super simple, super easy. The only thing that's left to do now. Alright, that assembly is really simple. Just everything in reverse. Put this back on. Make sure everything's snug. Screw, 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 all that jazz. Alright, the last thing you need to do to make sure you did everything correct, open up your Windows, right click on this PC, come down to Properties, and you'll see here, System RAM is at 32 gigs. This one was at 16 before, and now we're at 32. So everything worked out good for me. Hopefully it does for you. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you, leave a like and a subscribe. Take it easy.